Multiplying fractions made easy. Other mathematical terms we use: multiply, obviously, product, by, lots of, and time. And if you struggle to remember the difference between the numerator and the denominator, remember D for down, denominator goes down. Now, easy to remember when multiplying fractions: top by top, bottom by bottom. Let's times the top by the top. 2 times 1 gives us 2, and 3 times 4 gives us 12. So now we need to simplify 2 12. So we know 2 goes into the top and the bottom, so that gives us a fraction of 1/6. So what is the product? Here we have 4/7 times 2/4. So multiply top by top gives us 8, bottom by bottom gives us 28. Now we need to simplify. Now 4 goes into both of them, so 4 into 8 gives us 2, and 4 into 28 gives us 7. So the answer, 2/7. Now we're going to look at the same fractions again, and what you can see is we have a 4 in the top and a 4 in the bottom line. Now when they're in the cross position like this, you can do what we call a quick cancel. So we'll 4s into 4s go once, we'll cancel them out, and now we can do the fraction. 1 times 2 is 2, 7 times 1 is 7, so that takes us straight away to 2/7. Okay, the next step, you may be given whole numbers. Now don't panic, the formula is the same. Rewrite the 4 as 4 whole ones and then multiply as normal. Top by top will give us 12, bottom by bottom gives us 5. But now what we notice, to simplify this, we've got an improper fraction. Now when you feel improper, you call the doctor. We're going to use divide and remain. So 12 divided by 5 goes in 2 whole times with 2 remainder, and then we leave the bottom the same as a 5. So the answer is 2 2/5.